Hi, my name is Miss Margarita and I work for the Greater Valley YMCA. Today I'm going to share with you all about birds and their eggs. First I'm going to start off with a story called An Egg is Quiet, and then we're going to look at a nest and eggs. An egg is quiet. Ooh, look at all of these beautiful eggs of all different kinds. Fish and bugs and birds. Lots of different eggs. We're going to talk about bird eggs. An egg is quiet. It sits there under its mother's feathers, on top of its father's feet, buried in the sand, warm and cozy. An egg is colorful. An egg is shapely. Sea turtles dig a hole in the sand with their flippers and lay up to 200 soft round eggs. Round eggs fit together nicely in tight spaces. When ladybugs hatch as larvae, their first meal is often the egg case they crawled out of. Seabird eggs are pointy at one end, so if they are laid on a rock or ledges, they roll around safe in little circles, not off the cliff. While most sharks give birth to young, some sharks, like the lesser spotted dogfish, begin life as a leathery egg case with tendrils. The tendrils anchor the eggs to the seaweed so they won't be swept away by the ocean current. I hope you don't mind, my kitty cat is meowing and wants to come outside. She's right there. Little interrupter. An egg is clever. The markings on some eggs help them blend with their surroundings. An egg might be speckled and resemble the rocks around it, or the seashells if it's in the ocean and not from a bird. An egg is artistic. An egg is textured. They are soft, and there are hard eggs, and there are gooey eggs, and smooth eggs, and rough eggs. An egg might even be fossilized from a dinosaur, a fossil. An egg is giving. From this egg comes a baby chick and then a hen. And from this egg is a salmon fish. And it looks like from this one is a grasshopper. An egg is quiet. And then suddenly, an egg is noisy. Cheep, peep, cheep, cheep. Ooh, look at all of these beautiful things that come from eggs. Lovely. Well, today what we're going to look at are quail eggs. So this is a quail box. And this is a baby quail. And underneath all these different kinds of eggs, there's a nest with quail eggs. Beautiful. This one's open. Wow. Maybe you can search for a bird nest or try to find some eggs from another type of creature. Maybe if you go to a river or a lake, you can try to find some type of fish that has laid its eggs. Thank you so much for joining me today with An Egg is Quiet, and I hope that you can watch my attached video for going on a search for birds out on the Meriton Wildlife Sanctuary. Thank you very much.